Hey, what's up, traders? Head ass. What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Hello, yo, y'all. Hey, if y'all know. XRO. What's good with y'all, man? Today is Sunday. It's Sunday the 26th. So, hey, man, I'm coming at y'all with a little new video, man. Like I said, I'm really liking the way these little formats. Like, I ain't gonna lie, where I just got this time. I just got some Dragon Ball Z recorded. This is not me. This is just people in lobby that I was in lobbies with, and I was just recording them fighting. So if y'all mess with this, I know somebody reached out to me on Instagram and was like, hey, we like this, So I was like, all right, cool, boom, we gonna keep doing it. It's real easy footage. I mean, driving around is cool too, but when it's cold, bro, I ain't gonna lie, I don't be fucking with that. So I gotta keep it real. So, hey, man, first things first, if y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all, you know what I'm saying, hey, bro, hey, drop a little like, you know what I'm saying, help me out, bro, you know what I'm saying, don't just be watching the video and I'm giving you gems, you feel me, you know what I'm saying, you don't give me a little something return. I ain't ask for no donation, I ain't ask for you to buy my keychain, none of that, you feel me, but, you know what I'm saying, bro, you know what I'm saying, lock me in, bro, lock me in, you feel me, but, second, bro, if y'all ain't follow me on Instagram, make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram. I ain't gonna lie, I'm not Hollywood. If you just need more traders to be around on Instagram, just follow me, bro. I'll follow you back. Just let me know you from YouTube. Boom. So, I'ma just be skipping from fight to fight. Obviously, you got the wait times and shit. So, we just gonna see, man. We gonna wait. So, yeah, I'm just talking about my week. All that. The fight gonna be in the background. Hopefully, keep y'all entertained. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Dragon Ball Spiking 0. That shit fire. But, yeah, man. This week, I ain't gonna lie, this is definitely my worst week of 2025. Now before y'all be like, why, man, Joe, why? Now look, you know what I'm saying? I didn't blow my account. I'm not close to blowing my account. I actually, this may have been a bad week for me, but the way I handled risk and the way I took those losses, the way I didn't overtrade, the way I didn't revenge trade, really kept me in a good standing. So I'm good. Like on account, I'm really, really good. There's some things I could have did better, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about that. But I just want to let y'all know that, hey, I'm on good standing on the account. I'm not close to blowing the account, none of that stuff. So I'm up on the account still. You feel me? So, I guess one of the first things I could say is this week I had 4 losing days and 1 winning day. Now on them 4 losing days, they averaged on small losses to just my regular losses, you feel me? Not no overly big losses, they're like my regular losses I always expect losses. So I think Monday I lost very, very little, damn near break even. Second day I had a regular loss. Now the third day, that's when I got my good win. I maximized that win. That's why I always tell you, it's good to maximize wins and minimize losses. You know what I'm saying? If it hits your stop loss, make sure, first thing first, when you set a stop loss, make sure it makes sense. Don't just set it anywhere where it could just easily just tap you out, or wick you out, and then boom, going the other way. Now you back in a trade. Then you never know if it could, wick you out again. You hop in that trade back again, boom, wick you out. It could just be a bad price action day, consolidation, or you just really just making dumb decisions just whether to get back in on the charts, and you don't really know what you're doing. So yeah, usually I try to stick to 2 trades a day. And it took me a good minute to, get in that mindset and be like, hey, look, you know what I'm saying? Hey, if I lose twice, get off the charts, you know what I'm saying? At first, it's hard to, actually stick to it, but the more and more you understand, this is a long-term game, and there's, so you got tomorrow to trade, you got next week to trade, and you're not worrying about hopping in over and over again, killing your account, not being able to overtrade, not being able to over leverage, I'm saying, shit like that. You just got to understand, look, bro, I'm saying, I'll be able to trade tomorrow, I'll be able to trade next week, you feel me? So when I'm trading and I take my 2 losses, I'll just be like, hey, look, this is my limit right here, this is the most I could lose right here. I'm not gonna be able to lose anymore. You know what I'm saying? I know my strategy is good, I know my discipline is good, I know my risk reward's good, I know my risk management good. I'm not gonna be able to overtrade. So you know what I'm saying, when you just able to hop off the charts and knowing you have all that on point, you're gonna be able to win sooner or later. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you may not win tomorrow, you may not win the next day, but hey, if you're able to minimize those risks, minimize those losses by not overtrading and all that, you're gonna be good. And that's what I did this week. This is a week that really showed me that hey, bro, you know what I'm saying, hey, you really been working on your shit, you really improved. So you know, this week I'm not really mad at it. It just really testing me as a trader, because like I said, bro, you're gonna have, like traders, you're gonna have your losing streak. If you haven't had your losing streak yet, it's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? And there's nothing wrong with it. You know, just because you're on a losing streak necessarily doesn't mean that, you know, you're a bad trader, or, you know, you don't know how to trade. It just happens. But sometimes you have to know and acknowledge that, hey, bro, yeah, maybe I did do something wrong right here. Maybe I did get in too early right here. Maybe I was impatient. Maybe I, you know, should have paid attention to news. Maybe I should have paid attention how price action was moving. And I ain't gonna lie, I ain't gonna come up here and say that I come up on here and say like, I traded perfectly, because I didn't. You feel me? There was a couple times where I could have, I think it was one of the days I probably could have waited for my entry just a little bit more, and I answered, and it instantly just went the opposite way. So, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna come up here and just act like, you feel me, I had a perfect week, I did everything right. That's not the case. Not at all. Hell no. Fuck no. But yeah, no, I would say, I say like, me doing everything right, I said it was a 7 out of 10. And I say that strictly because this week, well, last week, it was a lot of news. And, you know, after them 2 losses, I like tried to look for setups outside of my trading time. And I mean, I'm not gonna say you shouldn't do that, but you have to know what your strategy is capable of. Like me, my type of strategy, it works best during New York. I get the best setups during New York. I find the most setups during New York. And I tried to trade London. No, yeah, I tried to trade London session and Asian session. And you know what I'm saying? It's fine. You know what I'm saying? It's okay. But for me and my strategy, that's not really okay. So, you know, technically I'm breaking my rules. And this week, you know what I'm saying, I didn't do it like multiple times. I called myself a couple times, you know. Sometimes I find a setup, then I lost the setup. So I'm just gonna stick to my New York strategy. I mean, I'm a New York strategy. My New York, damn, bro, what the fuck is the word, bro? See, I'm over here tripping. My New York session. God damn, like, why was that so hard? But yeah, you know, like I said, I should have just stuck to my session. What's another thing? So I'll like, usually whenever I lose, I do like feel some type of way, but like once I look back at the whole week, I'm like, hey, look, now I know what not to do. You feel me? Because I know a lot of people on Instagram, they was like, yo, this was a crazy week. I done lost a lot of money this week. I'm down this week. I'm down this amount. And I'm like, yeah, hey, bro, this was a rough week. But like I said, it just depends on how you trade. Like, I know some people who had a great week. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes when I have a great week, a lot of people have a bad week. It just really depends on you executing your trades, how you view the market, how you trade the market, how your strategy trades in these conditions. So yeah, you feel me? It's all about how you looking at the market, how you trade the market, how you perceive the market. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, me, whenever I get on the charts, I don't never hop on like instantly just, okay, I'm gonna be looking for buys, I'm gonna be looking for sales. Like once I chart up some shit, oh shit, hold on. Oh, that's bogus. I'm not gonna lie, that's bogus. That's bogus. I really kinda wanted to see that, bro. That's fucked up. But yeah, like I don't ever just hop on the markets and just be like, yeah, I'm just gonna be buying today, I'm gonna be selling today. You know what I'm saying? I see what I see, and then I come up with you know what I'm saying? I come up with what I want to do today. You feel me? Because, you know, if you just come in the market, man, I just feel like, if I don't get a sell today, I'm not trading. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if that's how you trade, that's how you trade. But at the same time, bro, you can't control the market. The market's going to give you what the market's going to give you. The market don't want to give you shit. The market not going to give you shit. But if the market going to give you some shit, it's going to be like, hey, look, if you see what I'm trying to give you, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you take advantage of it. But if you don't, you don't. Man, overall this week, you know what I'm saying? I had a bad week, but it's past the number game. I ain't gonna lie. Like, just because I have, you know what I'm saying, I go to this week and, you know, it shows red, it's fine, bro. Like, you know, it's deeper than that. I'm proud of myself mentally. And even the trades, I did what I could, you know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, like, you just gotta be proud of yourself. Like, when you know you did shit right and you still lost, just be proud of yourself that you handled that lose. You put yourself in a losing situation and you handled it well. So, like I said, I'm cool with it. I'm not mad. Like, hey, it is what it is. Like I said, I'm thankful that I'm still up on the account. I was able to, you know, manage my risk, you know, just handle it smart in a smart way. So, hey, man, yeah, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this is just a little update video. Just wanted to just update some, you know, with a little, you know, just update y'all. You feel me? I wanted to upload something, talk about something, and just, you know, just, hey, bro, look, just because you don't have a winning week don't mean you can't still see progress in yourself, that you can't see improvement in yourself. Just look, bro. Just look back. Just imagine this week. Let's say you had a bad week this week, right? And you handled it good. You feel me? Just because you had like you negative for this week, don't be too hard on yourself, bro. You gotta find something to take positive out. Find something to make yourself better. Like, okay, I should have did this, or I should have did that, or I did this good. Because you never know. 1 or 2 years ago, this week could have probably destroyed you, could have destroyed your account. It would have just obliterated you. You feel me? But now look at you. You know what I'm saying? Now you had just a regular losing week. You saying you didn't have like a bad losing week where like, oh shit, now I gotta trade like this, or I gotta do this. You can go back next week and trade regular and just, hey, you know what I'm saying? You never know. You might be able to make a complete comeback. You feel me? So, hey man, this week we just go come out, trade how we usually trade. You know, do the exact same we did last week. And hey, bro, just lock in. You know, this is the way the game goes. You know, every week ain't gonna be a winning week. So, hey, bro, but that don't mean you still can't learn. You still can't be proud of yourself if you don't have a winning week, bro. You know, you just gotta find something to be proud of, find something to get better at, and find something to, you know, be positive about. So, hey, man, hopefully y'all have a great week. Hopefully y'all had a great week. But, yeah, I'm finna hop off these charts. It's NFL Sunday. Finna get ready to watch these NFL games, chill. You know what I'm saying? Sip a little bit. Oh, my bottle ain't even over here. I'm tripping. But, yeah, man, hopefully y'all have a great day. Great rest of y'all night. And then, man, we gone.